How to create a custom string representation for a class object. Consider this class. The default string representation looks something like this. How can I make this display a custom string?
Implement _str_ or _repr_ in the class's metaclass. Use _str_ if you mean a readable stringification. Use _repr_ for unambiguous representations. Edit, Python 3 version.
If you have to choose between _repr_ or _str_ go for the first one, as by default implementation, _str_ calls _repr_ when it wasn't defined. Custom vector 3 example. In this example, repr returns again a string that can be directly consumed/executed, whereas str is more useful as a debug output.
Ignacio Vasquez Abrams' approved answer is quite right. It is, however, from the Python 2 generation. An update for the now current Python 3 would be: if you want code that runs across both Python 2 and Python 3, the 6 module has you covered. Finally, if you have one class that you want to have a custom static repr, the class-based approach above works great. But if you have several, you'd have to generate a metaclass similar to MC for each, and that can get tiresome. In that case, taking your metaprogramming one step further and creating a metaclass factory makes things a bit cleaner. Prints. Metaprogramming isn't something you generally need every day, but when you need it, it really hits the spot.
Siapa kan kita tahu ya, kita akan sudah terkait